Welcome back, and here's the latest from the state of Karnataka, where the government is now going to submit an affidavit to the courts on the implementation of the lockdown in the state of Karnataka. The Karnataka government is going to submit this affidavit in the Karnataka High Court with regard to the implementation. And in the earlier hearing, the bench had questioned the government on the enforcement of night curfew and a grievance redressal system. So on both these counts, the state government is likely to make its submission in an affidavit today. Karnataka government had then specified that while a public grievance redressal system is in place, it is expected to lay down the modalities and the rules for the violators. Karnataka High Court is hearing a plea which cites rampant violation of norms in the state since the time relaxations kicked in. Shrija MS joining me live. Shrija, we've been, of course, also reporting on this issue, on the violation of norms, particularly taking stock of how night curfew was being violated and several such instances that you have brought to our notice. Tell us what exactly is expected today. What are the kind of submissions that the Karnataka government is going to make in its affidavit?
Well, Frida, during the last hearing, this is on Saturday, we understand that the Karnataka government had to place on record as far as, what are the measures that they have implemented on ground as per the MHA guidelines. This includes especially whether or not the public is wearing masks, what is the kind of redressal cell that's set up by the Karnataka government, and what is the kind of mechanism that's in place once whether or not a person is found not wearing masks, whether he or not will be penalized. So these were the things where we see that the Karnataka government had to place it on record, but we understand the only thing, the submission that they made before the Karnataka High Court was that they have set up a redressal system in place, which is dialing 100. People can dial 100 and register complaints about who is not wearing masks or if there is any social gatherings or there is a crowd. Now that can be reported. This is the only submission which is being made before the Karnataka High Court. So as far as today is concerned, on Tuesday, we see that they will have to be submitting more and more clarification as to what is this redressal cell about, how have they in fact ensured that people wear the mask, and what really is the system in process here. Because remember, if at all a public is complaining, making a complaint to the redressal cell number, which is 100, now what really is the mechanism to ensure whether or not they are penalized? Now that is the kind of submission which has to be made. Also, to give you another idea, because we are right now here in front of a containment zone, you can see that there is an outpost set up, because what we also understand is that there are police officers, including district officials, who will be deployed at such zones. So this is also another submission which the Karnataka government will have to be making before the High Court to talk about what are the measures that's been taken in the containment zone to ensure that people follow such rules. Very important aspect to understand over here, just about last week, a very popular Kannada actor, he passed away. He succumbed to a massive heart attack. Remember, now on that particular day too, we witnessed a massive crowd gathering, because over 500 fans had gathered at that particular burial place. Now this also in fact was asked by the Karnataka High Court. So these are the various instances where we understand the state government will have to be providing, in fact submitting before the High Court as to these are the measures that they have taken. Back to you.
All right, so this plea that cites rampant violation will be heard today. Thanks, Shrija, for giving us the latest perspectives.